Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your Android TV and computer share the same Wi-Fi network, then open Chrome on your computer. Once done, click the three-dot menu in Chrome and choose Cast. Chrome will scan for any Chromecast-capable devices. Select your Android TV from the device list. You're initiating a cast session, not a remote desktop, so Chrome will handle tab or desktop streaming and negotiate audio automatically as soon as you accept the connection on the TV if prompted. Once Chrome finds the TV, choose your source. Cast a single tab for video, or pick Cast Desktop for full-screen apps and presentations. Make sure Chrome's hardware acceleration is enabled to reduce CPU load and stuttering. Go to Settings System and toggle it on if needed. Also, set your TV to a low latency or game picture mode when you need responsive controls. These choices affect performance and sync, so change them before heavy streaming to avoid later interruptions or mismatched audio and video. To end a session, click the cast icon in Chrome and stop casting. The TV will return to its prior input. If your Android TV doesn't appear, restart the TV, router, and your PC in that order, and make sure the TV's Chromecast service is active. Verify Chrome is allowed to discover devices in your firewall or antivirus settings. If latency or dropout persists, temporarily switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or connect the TV by Ethernet to stabilize bandwidth and.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.